Hey guys, Alyssa here again. Last time I spoke to you all, I made a video about time. Today we're going to be discussing plants and their different parts. So, first things first, we need to know where plants grow. Have you ever looked at a plant and wondered why is that there? Like right outside my window right now, I have 3 of those cattail plants that have the fun stuff to play with. Um, so pause the video for a second and think of 2 places plants can grow. Okay, well, now that you've done that, there's an explanation for that. Plants are very important to life on Earth. They grow on mountains, valleys, deserts, and even in water. They can grow almost anywhere. So, now that we know where they grow, we need to know what makes plants special. Pause the video again and think of 3 special things about plants. Great. Now that you've done that, we need to know that plants come in every shape and size, from the smallest seed to the giant trees you see outside every day. Not only can plants be pretty, but they are very important in keeping people, animals, and the earth as healthy as possible. So now that we know why plants are special, we need to think about what they do to keep us alive. Why are they important? How do they keep us alive? Well, plants keep you and the earth healthy by providing food, medicine, shelter, and the oxygen in your lungs that you need in order to breathe. In fact, everything you eat, either directly or indirectly, comes from the plants outside your window. Okay, so funny story. When I was a child, I used to be just like you guys. Um, my mom would always take me to the store with her in order to shop for plants. And we would spend hours at Walmart or Home Depot just browsing through the plants. And I would often just throw a fit because I never wanted to be there. Why would I want to look at plants? Right? Well, my mom explained to me the importance of plants eventually, and I got really into gardening with my mom, and it gave us something to bond about. Okay, so next thing, I need you guys to look at this picture and try to label the plants. Get your parents if you need, but just try to label it, see how well you guys can do. All right, so before we go any further, we need to talk about the parts of a plant. Take a few minutes to write down what you know about plants. Great. Now that you guys have done that, there are 5 basic parts to a plant. There are the roots, the stems, leaves, flowers, and seeds. So, if you have ever seen a plant, you would have noticed the white worm-looking guys at the bottom. These are the roots. But what do the roots do? Well, they hold the plants into the soil, and they also absorb food and water from the ground, and this provides nutrients to the plant so it can stay alive. After the roots comes the stem. So this long green guy you see right here is the stem. He provides support for the upper part of the plant, so like the flower and these leaves right here. And he's like a human spine. So just same reason your head's staying on your body right now. The stem is a transportation system for the nutrients and water within the flower. Next, we have the leaves. We all know what leaves are. You play in them. We all jump in them in the fall when they fall off. But what is their purpose? Well, this is the part of the plant where the sun usually enters, giving energy to the plant so it can eat. This is also known as photosynthesis. And this is how plants breathe. So just like you and I breathe oxygen, plants breathe carbon dioxide. Next, we have the flowers. The flowers are how plants create more plants, right? So flowers are usually the pretty petals that smell good, but they attract bees and birds and other insects to transport the seeds, which you're about to see. So the seeds are a part of the plant that can grow into a new plant. Some examples of seeds include beans, corn, pumpkin seeds. Now that we know about seeds, how do you think seeds spread? All right, guys. Thanks for watching. On our next visit, we will be conducting an experiment that includes a white flower, food coloring, a glass jar, and some water. We'll be completing this fun task so we become more familiar with the parts of a plant. Thanks, guys, for watching, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye!